new features in YouTube. And how are we gonna use those features? Here at Akkas Tutorial 101, and that after my intro. So guys, now you're facing my YouTube channel dashboard or page. So here guys, as you can see, we have already some changes. There's already a managed to videos here instead of before, guys. If you can remember, here it's YouTube Studio. Now you can find it, the YouTube Studio, only from this button here. But then before we go straight to the new features, let me just summarize these features that you can see from here. Here guys, as you can see, the theme of my YouTube page is black. From that, you can choose it from here. I know a lot of you already know about this, but for those of you who still don't know, from here you can choose the features that you want. The light theme, that's the default. So it will become white, but me, because I love black and I like it dark, so I am choosing the dark theme, right? And then, so that's the first one. The second one here, the rest of that, guys, actually you already know all about that. But then here's another one here, the your data in YouTube. This one, guys, is very helpful for those of you to monitor your subscription. To monitor all your subscription, like to find out how many people you already have subscribed. You will find it here. So you will not get punished with that, over subscribing. So here guys, you can see I have 259 videos, 117 is private, 142 is public. I have 20 playlists, 5 is private, and 15 is public. And if you click more, that will show I subscribed to 2,991 and I made already 1,000 plus comments. This is just the summarize of your activity on YouTube. So you can see I have at least 2,400 plus subscribers and I made 2,991 subscriptions. That's a lifetime of the subscriptions, and all your watch history is here from YouTube. You can see that. This one, guys, is very good for the history. You can check, see? October 1, the date, the time, that's where you can see all those channels that you search. All your activity and YouTubes are all here, okay? That's in your YouTube studio data, okay? YouTube studio data. Now, guys, let's proceed here. You can see all the changes here, right? Now, no more button of manage of YouTube Studio. So if you want to access that, you can just click this YouTube Studio and it will bring you back to that look before that you have. So from that YouTube Studio, you have to scroll all these features here. But then the reason I told you that this is cool, because this one, guys, is just a one press. So you don't have to click that YouTube Studio anymore. You can just click Manage Videos. And if you click the Manage Videos, it will bring you easily to all this access, as well as opening your videos here. So that is very easy. So from here, guys, let's go one by one. Of course, that's your dashboard. That's the dashboard if you want to access to your dashboard. And as of my other tutorials, I always inform you guys that if you want to see what is the latest in YouTube, this is the area where you're gonna check it always, the news. Okay, so it says here no new updates. This is where all the YouTube updates will come out. So instead of listening to all the gossips and the rumors around, you can check it easily from here. These are the recommended channels that you can check. Creator Insider, YouTube Creators, YouTube Creator Blogs, and from here, what's new in studio, all of these, guys. Alright, see, these are the video that you will check. Whatever is the new news, you will get it from this dashboard. Okay, but anyway, let's proceed. You go back to videos. Of course, these are your live videos. upload videos, monetizations, and if you have some claims and sort of, you will see it from here. And most of you, almost all of you already know about this, so I will not discuss about that anymore. And of course, everybody already know about this playlist button and the analytics. And for those of you who don't know how to check the what are the comments that went to spam, if somebody put a comment and you can find their comment, you can check it from here, held for review or likely spam. Okay, so there is the area where you can find all those videos. All right, I mean the comments. Here is the playlist. Okay, I already said that. And this one is the subtitles. If you want to put the subtitles on your videos, let's say for example this one, I'm talking Tagalog on this, so you can put all the subtitles here. So from here, you can edit the subtitles. So that's for the subtitles, okay? If you want to put subtitles, like for you have a viewers who don't speak Tagalog and you want them to understand that, there you go. And here, guys, is of course, this one is letter C. This is for all the monetized channel. For all the monetized channel, this is a very big help. From this copyright here, you can see if somebody else is copying your content. So, if somebody uploaded a video, same of your content, it will show here what is the name of the channel, how many % is the similarity to your content, and what are the actions that you can do. So, you can ask for a removal, you can send a message, etc. So, that's for that. And this $sign is the monetization. Here, you can see all your members, how many members you have, etc., etc., super chats, the record of your super chatters, it's all here. Okay, so that's for that. And then I will skip the new one. This one is the audio library. Audio library, guys, for those of you who's asking where to get the background music that free from the copyright, this is the area. This is all free, provided by YouTube. So you can play to listen and you can download it from here. This is all 100% free. Okay, and of course that you already know what is the send feedback if you have a problem, and settings here. This is what we're gonna discuss now. This is new, customization. If you don't see this in your channel, it means to say your channel has lack of details. So you better check out your channel. Double check what else is missing in your channel. From this, guys, this is what I really love. This is the way YouTube provided us these tools for us to organize our channel. So from here, guys, now it's very easy to organize it and customize your channel. Channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. So from here, you can edit this. These are the videos, or you can remove this. This is the video exactly that. If channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed, this is the video that you want to show to the people who had visited you for the first time and not subscribed to you yet. So that's the trailer that will show up here. So, if you want something, a video to show up here, this is the place for you to edit it. So, you can just click change video and choose which video you want. Okay? Next one, feature video for returning. So, it's the same place. This is also the same place, but this is for the returning subscribers. So, people who already subscribed to you and check your channel back, this is what they will see. The same thing, you can just change video and choose the video you want, or you can just remove the video. Okay? Here we have here, this is what I really love. The featured sections. Here, guys, you can add up to 10 sections. What are these sections? Okay? That sections, guys, are all here. If you click that, these are the sections that you can have your option. So it's very organized and it's very easy. So for me here, I added the upcoming live streams. So here, if I set any of my live streams, let's say for example, I want to do a live stream tomorrow and I put it here. I already set it, and I also set a video to premiere, so I will see it easily from here. Next one is the uploads. These are all your uploaded video. Okay, these are all your uploaded video. The same thing, you can remove and you can add. Here, popular videos. These are the videos that gets a lot of views. If you have some viral videos, that viral videos will come out here from the highest to the lowest views. And created playlists. These are your playlists arranged here, so it's very easy to check. And here, this one guys, you can create as much as you want as long as you will not pass the limit of 10 sections. Okay, all you have to do, you can just click add section and then you go to featured channel. So from here you can add, let's say for example you have a gold members that you have to enter there, so it's easy. You can put gold members and then add the channel. Let's say for example we have the Ruby's Cup of Tea as your gold member and you want to add the Ruby's Cup of Tea, so you can just type her name and then click and automatically it will add there. And then let's say for example we have another here, Selfie Mama. Okay, if you type that, all that one will appear here. You can choose which one you want, and this is that, and then after that you can just click done and it's done. It's already there. Okay, if you made it by mistake, you can just easily edit if you want to add or remove if you don't like that section. Okay, so I have here my featured channel, the recommended channels, my El Cero El Cera family, and I have my featured channels number 2, Akkas Magnificient Fairy. Okay, so you can name that one. And live now, this is additional. The reason there's no photo here because I am not on live. So if you're doing a live streaming right now, you will see your picture here. And that is all the new features of YouTube. And of course, you can have your channel link, very easy to copy and paste from here. When you're finished editing everything, you can just put publish. But before that, let's check out the other customization. For the branding guys, you don't have to go back to Google again like the normal way we do before. If you want to change your profile, my internet is not that good, but actually I already have my profile picture here. So from here you can just click change and choose the photo that you want to put as your profile picture. Automatically it will come out there. And here, this is how your banner image look like. From here you can change and choose the picture that you want to put as your banner or channel. This one, the banner is this one. Alright, so this is the profile and that's the banner. So that you can edit from here and this will show. That's how it look like if it's in television. This is how it look like if it's in laptop, and this is how it look like if it's in mobile. Okay, you can change and you can remove here. Watermark is, I would suggest everybody to make a logo. We'll make a logo of your channel, and this is my one. This is the logo of my channel. That's in the video watermark. So all your videos will have this one, and from here you can choose where to put it or where to display. You want to display it just at the end of the video or starting 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then you can check this one. Or me, I prepare entire video. So the whole videos have my watermark. You can also remove and change it from here. Basic info, this is about your channel. Basic infos are like this. What is, like, it's a summary of what your channel, what is your missions or what your channel is all about. So you can add it here. And then you can add the language if you want to add Chinese or Japanese, whatever language you can you're using in your channel. And here guys, links for those of you still not aware about this. Here guys, you can add any links. If for example you have a Twitter, you can check this, add link and put Twitter, and then your what you call this, your URL of your Twitter here. Okay, and here you can add, like, see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and the reason I suggest that you will put this one here, because here it will give you an option, links on banner, how many links you want to put in the banner. See, I put 5. Okay, the purpose of that guys, you see I have my Patreon, Facebook, and Instagram the logo of that will come out here. You see that? I have Instagram, Facebook, and Patreon. So if somebody want to check me out from Patreon, they can just click this picture here on my banner and it will bring them to my Patreon account. Same as the Facebook. If they click that photo or logo of the Facebook, it will bring them to my Facebook. So I suggest that you also use this one. Okay? And then, yeah, that's it. And then again, let's go back here to layout. Okay? And then when you're finished of everything, all you have to do is publish. Okay? Just click published. And what is the changes? This is how is it, guys. This is how it look like, which is very organized. So you can see, that's what you will see if you're first time to my channel, with my logo here, watermark, with my banner, and all my link up there. And this is the cool one. See, you see guys, all my uploads are there. All my uploads is there. Yeah, you can check out. All my popular videos are here. So it's very easy, very organized. If you want to see what are the videos that I'm popular of making, what is the videos that I uploaded, there you go. And my playlist, if you want to check all my playlists, it's very easy with the photo and everything, and it's bigger than before. It's all organized. And of course, I have here my recommended channels, my El Cera family. There you go. And I have here the Akkas Magnificient Perry. That's all my members with the highest perk. They are all here. So guys, very organized, very beautiful. I hope that you also love these new features as much as I love it. So that's all for today, guys.